Do you want to discover how to succeed on YouTube without ever showing your face, recording any videos, or making any videos? In fact, I got over 1 million subscribers on YouTube doing this exact method. My name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels, and I'd love to invite you to a completely free training where I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same. Like I said, this doesn't require showing your face, recording any videos, or making any videos. You might be asking, how in the world is that possible? Well, I'm going to show you on this exact free training that I'm inviting you here today. I'm going to show you the best niches to do this in, how to generate tons of videos super quickly, and most importantly, how to get millions of views on your videos. And look, while I can't guarantee you get millions of views or getting 1 million subscribers on YouTube, what I can guarantee you is that you're going to discover the same exact tactics that I'm using within my YouTube business that you can take and replicate in your own. And while I can't promise you these results, I can promise you you're going to learn the exact tactics. And if you take a look at all the people flashing across your screen right now, these are all people having success with this method. And look, while I can't promise you the same exact results that these people got, what I can promise you is that you're going to discover the same exact tactics that these people are using. And how do I know that? Because all of these people attended this same exact free training. So I'd love to invite you to the free training. I really want to show you how I got this channel to over 1 million subscribers without ever showing my face, how I run 9 different YouTube channels, and how you can be a wildly successful YouTuber without ever showing your face, making any videos, or recording any videos. And look, like I said, I know this sounds crazy, and I know a lot of you might be skeptical about this, thinking, how in the world could you actually do that? Well, it's actually possible, and I can't stress enough to stop being skeptical, because this method is literally being used by thousands of channels on YouTube, and this is the new way of going about YouTube. So I'd love to invite you to the free training. I can't wait to see you there.